We have a boat. Yeah, get we here. Alright. On the boat. Water near deep. Where did he came on?
Yeah, don't study here, we go.
We will kill him and curry him, not dead. We name Koreans. You go by, not dead. Ball is safe, right? Alright.
Springfield Valsin.
Look at what's on our right. Which house is in right?
Hey, look at that fence here now, watch.
Look at our fence right.
Yeah, boy, look at that fence now, boy.
Yeah, boy. The US guy. You go somewhere in there, right?
Huh?
You go somewhere on there.
Yeah.
Alright, so you go with our start up. I'm look at number 6.
Number 6?
Yeah. Alright, but wait, we there, we turning? Yeah, I'm turning. You good on our side, right? Don't you good, I good? All you good? Alright. You got it? Which house is number 6? Which house is number 6? Yeah. This one here? Yeah. Ooh, now what's that? Let me run now what's that right? Oh, this one right there, sir? Yeah. Pull them off.
Watch how you come in reverse and back here and you go in and oh, no, you, I saw the new, not freaking. Oh. Freaking you, we worried about.
You don't worry about me, I worry about you.
And?
I'm coming in to push up out there. I want to push up. Yeah,
Pull him up, see us?
but them can't come there. That's number 6 there? With the water like it really.
Where house number 6?
Where house number 6?
That is it?
House number 6. Gotta be here.
Yeah.
Number 6. Yeah.
Ah, look, somebody there.
Somebody there, Darren. Where?
Somebody by the kitchen.
Number 6. Number 6.
This is the condition of the bridge in Samaro village in the Edma Avenue. As you can see, the retaining wall has collapsed. The drain is breaking down. This lamppost will fall soon. Behind the bridge is eroded. The water line is exposed. And it's getting worse. The river is changing its course. It seems as though it's heading into the playfield and then coming back on this side. It's really disastrous. Something has to happen to bring some resolution to this problem. It is really getting bad. Vehicles can't, two-way traffic is impossible. It seems as though soon this road will have to be closed if this bridge is broken down.
Okay, so this is the first visitor that we have met since coming into bamboo number 2. Kalpus, they are on site, just taking off their boat to go conduct a couple rescues. From what we understand, someone needs to seek medical attention, so that person is being treated with priority this morning. They're going to get in, they're going to rescue them. They also have to fuel the pump So that is what we believe, the pump to drain off some of the water from in the back here. So that's what we believe we'll be doing here this morning. Alright, so this is bamboo number 2, just to give you an idea as to how far we are. I didn't realize that boat taking water, right?
Yeah, right.
That's supposed to be the boat that we're going in.
What kind of snake is that?
Good question. What kind of snake is this? Does anyone know?
They like Dean Wheel, man. Like Dean Wheel, come on, we'll go with Dean. The monster truck.
Okay, great.
And they have boat and thing. Yes, yes. We'll go with Dean.
I'm not going in though.
Boat will
That leaking.
The only thing we gotta go up on the tree.
That's fine.
Yeah, take the umbrella, I think.
Can walk there, boy? Yes.
Nah, that water high, boy.
Going up there? No,
You have to look out for the drainer, Emmanuel.
Yeah. I'm going down there. Come on, got so high.
Good. Yeah, water.
This is bamboo number 2. Kalpus, the tour guides, they are on their way, and there's also
Dean Wheels.
And-
Dean Wheels.
Dean Wheels and Company. We're seeing that there's a whole trail of these off-road type vehicles. Some may agree well suited for this type of condition. Favorite counselor Samuel Sanka on site. We're hoping to get a lift with them to head in.